Hello everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So first I wanted to share that I did get the new Distress. I got the ink pad somewhere around here. But I had also gotten the, I think this is, I don't know if this is the spray, and I also got the Distressing. I really like this color. It's their, I forget what it's called, but I really like the color. And so because I bought it, I also ended up buying the Dot Runner because you got 2 free refills. So I did get that. And then on eBay, I bought these Tim Holtz flower stamps. I like them because there's not too many pieces, I don't think. Maybe there is. I don't like lots and lots of pieces. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like lots of pieces. I don't know if I shared this, but this is from Fawn. So from Fawn's actual website, I know I shared that I had gotten some Frank Garcia Fawn, because if you spent a certain amount, you also got a free stamp paper pack. So I think I already shared that. You get a couple sheets of paper from them, and they wrap it up in some cute twine, which you can always use. They give you a free stamp set. This one is Made with Love. And then also free was, oh crap, I don't see it here. Well, if it shows up in this other bunch of nonsense, then I'll show it to you guys. But there was a free stamp set that came with it. Maybe it's in here. Oh, here it is. So this is a free stamp set. You spend $60 on a Fawn website, then you got this stamp set, which goes with their bears, which I might have gotten from somewhere else. I bought it wherever I could get a free something. I did get it. So I did get the Berry Special, which is really cute. I'm going to work on some stuff with that. Here is this berries. It works in their little jar stamp set, but also I think it would work in their little bucket of strawberries. So it's the How You Bean strawberry add-on, but also I think it will work in the fruit basket. I'm just calling it a bucket. I don't know where I got these ones from. Maybe I also got these from Fawn. But I got this one, which kind of looks like raindrops. I think it also means like raindrops, but also like it could be seeds too, even though I do have that wonky stencil. And then here's the platform pop-up. This makes a really cool pop-up card. This is a stripes stencil. You get 2 different kinds of stripes. So those look fun. And then I think that this one might be from Not Too Shabby, because I think I got this one free. Spend $60. I got this for free. I did buy the coordinating die. I've got this Build-A-Barn template. I've got this stamp set, which is Garden Before and Afters. So I need to work on some stuff with that. Did I get the... Somewhere I got all the stuff that goes with it. But anyway, Outside In Stitched Strawberry, Strawberry Patch Die, Build-A-Barn, Happy Mother's Day, the Berry Rain stamp set. I have the Berry Rain. I mean, this is the dies. I have the rain somewhere. This is the platform pop-up. And here are the Henry's 1, 2, 3 and Henry's ABC. So it's all of that. And then from Doodlebug. So Doodlebug. I got this one, which is a Slimline Picket Fences. This coordinate to that Garden Before and Afters. Here's Better Days stamp set. Here's the Reveal Build-A-Barn add-on. This goes with the Better Days stamp set. I got this year 12 birthday. It goes with that. And then I got this, which is the Tiny Farm, and then the Tiny Farm thing, and then that's from Doodlebug. So, you know, lots and lots of stuff. And then, I don't know if I shared this they always give you a free gift with tailored expressions. And so my free gift is this, which coordinates with like they have like a light type stencil and die. I don't have it. Can you believe that? So with this one, if you spent a certain amount, you got get this word out, hello, plus die, and then you got this layering stencil came for free. So I got that, and then I got this, which is Spring Squad. So you get these dies, and then you get these little face stamps where you can make little critters. You can make, I guess was that a sheep, a lamb, a chick, and a bunny. And then I got this stencil. I got this Spring Array die, and it goes with the Spring Array stamp and stencil plus die set. And then I got a bunch of these foilets. So I have my ink machine out, and I'm going to find all my foilet thingies, and I'm going to foil, foil, foil. And then that way I am ready to go when it's time to make cards with these. I've already got things foiled and ready to go. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.